Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my review of the Bluedio T4S. Now this actually isn't mine, this is a friend's, and he was the one that suggested that I reviewed this since he's buying it anyway. So shout out to Leo for letting me unbox and use this. I actually don't want to return this to him, and you'll see why in a bit. So Bluedio is a company that you might not have heard, and it's understandable, from Beats to Audio Technica to many other brands that make audio accessories. Now they mainly make Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, and speakers, and this one is their T4S. You can buy it at Lazada for 1,800 to 3,000 pesos or about $36 to $60 US. Now I know that's actually a wide gap, mainly because you can buy one with only a 7-day replacement or one with a 3-month warranty. It depends on you of course, but this one only has a 7-day replacement. It comes in black with a shiny silver accent, all white and all red. So unboxing it, you get the headphones themselves, a box with the accessories, and a user manual. But wait, Techie, what's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Calm down, and my name's not Techie, it's Jello. Inside the box, you get a black USB Type A to Type C flat charging cable, and no, your eyes and ears are not deceiving you. The T4S is using USB Type C for charging and connecting to a 3.5mm jack. As such, it also comes with a black USB Type C to a 3.5mm plug connector, which unfortunately doesn't have a flat cable. And the last accessory in the box is a pouch, obviously to store your headphones, which also has a pocket inside to store your cables. That's it, it doesn't come with a charging brick. The Bluedio T4S has Bluetooth 4.2, 57mm drivers, active noise cancellation with a dedicated switch, 3 total buttons for play pause, hold to turn on or off or press to answer calls, and hold for 2 seconds to reject calls. Volume up and down and hold for the next or previous track. USB Type-C, a microphone, LED indicator, and a built-in battery with no specified capacity. So overall build quality of the T4S is solid. Metal hinges, plastic for the outer shell of the ear cups, what I would assume as synthetic leather for the ear cup cushions. Same goes for the adjustable headband. The buttons do feel a bit cheap, and for the most part nothing's poorly built. Not too heavy and not too light at 334 grams. Next is design, which is actually the only thing I have complaints about. Mainly with those shiny silver accents, which are absolute fingerprint magnets. And if you don't mind occasionally having to wipe those, or you don't mind them being there, then it's all good. Although I wish they could have just made it all black, matte black, along with the gray turbine branding on the headband. These have an over-the-ear design with circular ear cups, and while I would have preferred an oval design, it fits my ears fine and snug. They're really comfortable, and unless you shake your head a lot while wearing it, you'll be good. Although I would have preferred a bit more clamping force. You can rotate the ear cups, but they don't collapse, so they're not the most portable pair of headphones. So the Bluedio T4S has active noise cancellation with a switch to toggle on or off with a green LED indicator. I'm not gonna waste your time, just don't use it. It basically decreases the bass of whatever you're listening to and maybe cancels out about 5 decibels of sound. It's there, but just don't use it, as the headphones themselves has good noise isolation. And finally, sound quality and battery life, the two main things that won me over. I would describe the sound quality as on point. The highs, mids, and lows are all well balanced, and not one aspect is overpowering the other, with really good stereo sound. General media consumption, from music to movies, gaming to even video editing, the T4S is actually ideal for all those applications, considering you're using Bluetooth. And while basically you can use this without ever having to charge it, not sure why you would buy Bluetooth headphones and not use Bluetooth. Sound quality and loudness is reduced by a significant amount if you're wired, so that's something to take note. And talking to someone with the built-in microphone was pleasant, and the other person on the line was able to hear me loud and clear. On Bluetooth without active noise cancellation, on 60 to 70% volume, which in my opinion is the optimal volume when using these, you'll be able to easily get 19 to 20 hours of use out of these. Really good stuff, and even at max volume, it only distorts a bit. So let's say you're a light user who would use these 2 to 3 hours a day, then you can go through an entire week and maybe just charge it on the weekends. Charging it is a bit longer than I expected, timed at 1 hour and 45 minutes from empty to full, but considering the battery life, I'm not complaining. And yeah, I can easily recommend the Bluedio T4S to anyone. Awesome value. I would give these a 2 thumbs up if it was all matte black, but a thumbs up nonetheless. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy this. Comment section is open if you guys have any questions. Leave a like, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link when buying at Lazada, and donate to my Patreon to support the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter, as I occasionally post updates regarding the channel there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ain't nobody quite like you.